Hi guys, it's me again, Jeff. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam for breakfast. Meron tayong masarap na sinikang na bangos. Ang gagawin nating sapaw ay ang hugas-bigas guys. Magpakulo tayo ng ating hugas-bigas, magad ng maraming sibuyas, maraming kamatis at maraming luya, kaunting bawang. Magad tayo ng ating fish cubes, salt and pepper to taste, and mga ating sinigang mix. Masarap talaga ito guys, ang ating sinigang na fish with maraming vegetable. I-add na rin natin ating fish. So, yung nahugasan nating malinis na fish. Takpan ito para maluto ang ating fish at i-add na rin natin ang ating fresh gulay. Meron tayong eggplant at okra. Takpan ito para maluto ang ating gulay at mag-add pa tayo ng ating green leafy vegetable. Ready to serve na ang ating masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Masarap na sinikang na fish with maraming gulay. So yung ating okra, eggplant at green leafy vegetable. For hot drinks ay apple tea. Nagad tayo ng slice of ginger, slice of apple, 3 pirasong cloves at Thailand tea. So nagad tayo ng ating turmeric powder, cinnamon powders, clove powders, and black pepper. Masarap talaga ang ating apple tea. So yung ating healthy hot drinks, nilagyan ko pa ito ng fresh mint leaves. Ready na rin ang ating hot drinks. Healthy breakfast. Ready to serve na ating food for breakfast. For main dish ay yung ating masarap, special sinigang na bangos with fresh gulay. So yung ating okra, eggplants, and green leafy vegetable. For hot drinks ay meron tayong masarap na healthy apple tea. Nilagyan natin dito ng turmeric, cloves, cinnamon, and black pepper. Nilagyan pa natin ito ng fresh mint leaves. Kain tayo guys for masarap na full breakfast. Marami tayong makakain ito at very healthy ang ating food. And paborito ko ito. Isa sa favorite kong ulam. So yung sinikang na bangos. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching my video. And see you next time. Bye-bye. Ingat po.